A new hands-on video of an iPhone 17 Air dummy model has surfaced, providing a closer look at the rumored design of Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. The iPhone 17 Air will measure just 5.5 mm at its thinnest point. The Air will feature a 2,800 mAh battery. The iPhone 17 Air is also expected to weigh just 145 grams, which makes it one of the lightest smartphones in its class. Now iPhone 17 Air Ben test leaks online what you think about iPhone 17 Air build quality. The iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.6-inch display with dynamic island and a camera control button. Apple is also expected to make a 120 Hz refresh rate. T is likely to be powered by an A19 chip with 12 GB RAM. The Air's pricing is expected to be lower than the iPhone 17 Pro, which starts at $999. The iPhone 17 series, including the Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, is anticipated for release in September or October 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.